mission. Call my name. Rebuild me. Call my name. Break the silence of the night. I've been a ghost, hiding from the light in the cold, dead ashes of a hollow heart. Spark a flame, let the reconstruction start. I'm a landscape of ruins, a city in decay. Sweep the dust of the lonely years away. I was a desert, cracked and bone dry. Be the storm that gathers in the sky. My untold story is written on your skin. Open the gates, let the new life in. You're the mirror reflecting the divine. Turn this water into electric wine. Call my name, watch the fire rise. Ignite the neon in my hollow eyes. Rebuild my soul, set the world on fire. You're the pulse, one and only desire. My body's weary, but my spirit's awake. Every chain you touch is a chain you break. At the ruined altar of a forgotten saint, you're the color, I'm the faded pain. I see the future in the way you move, where the rhythm, where the perfect groove. No more looking back at the wreckage behind. You're the vision that cleared my mind. Sudden silence. Deep sub-bass throb only. Emotional whisper. The ashes are gone. The fire is mine. Shattered with distortion, rebel.